Ni hao, greetings from Kaohsiung, Taiwan, where children ride free on a Kaohsiung bus. I'd like to say hello to everybody who are here present in this momentous event. And I would like to say I envy you all. Grabe akong kasuya ninyo. When we speak about sacred, we speak about service. And we can be proud that Sacred has served the Ascendant studentry for 25 years. I may not be a Sacred member for many years, but in this short period of time, it had imparted in me the legacy of service, which can be a very helpful tool in our everyday lives. So may I take this opportunity to thank the founders, obviously, for creating Sacred. May I also thank my Sacred mentors for all the bountiful wisdom they have shared. To all my Sacred friends who have shared the ups and downs of being a Sacred member. And lastly, to everybody present here tonight for sharing your precious time to attend this memorable event. Enjoy the night. I'll just wait for all the lovely and memorable pictures. Kudos to Sacred, and may God bless us all. Sheshe Saijan.